We're talking about yes and, on accepting other people's ideas and building on those ideas with something connected. This is a game called Giving Presents. It's a really deceptively simple game that works these muscles of really being excited about other people's ideas without judgment, without qualification, without hesitation. So it goes exactly how you think it was. We're gonna give each other presents. Mm-hmm. So Shannon has a lovely shelf of presents behind him. Price is no object. Reality is no object. He's just going to pick one and give one to me. And he's going to try and give me something he thinks I'll like, something I'll find inspiring. This isn't the game where you trick each other with something nasty. This is that you can be sarcastic and ironic in lots of improv games, but that is not the point of this game. The point of this game is to really work on being excited about other people's ideas. So Shannon's going to reach back there and find a present.
Shayna, I got you keys to a new car.
And what I'm going to do is I'm going to be totally excited about his present no matter what it is. I'm going to act like it's the best thing I've gotten in a long time. Oh my God. Oh my God, this solves all my problems. I really need, this is great. What kind of car is it?
It's a Corvette.
Yes!
It's a yellow
Corvette.
Yes! Convertible.
Oh, yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, that is great, yes. Yeah.
I also...
Wait, can I give you my present first?
Sure.
Okay, I'm going to keep these keys. I'm going to give you something, okay?
Okay.
This is... okay, let me get it out here.
What is it?
It's an iPhone.
Now I will be like everybody else. Yes. I have an iPhone. My own iPhone. Oh my gosh. Oh. And it's even got more memory than yours.
Yeah, it's a newer
one than yours. Hey, aren't you jealous?
I'm happy
jealous
for
of
you.
myself.
All right, good. So that's the basic game. We're just going to give each other presents and be really excited about those presents. And it's a great thing to do because it's so rare in life that we actually have those moments where we're just excited about someone else's idea because we really didn't give each other presents. What we gave each other was ideas, and it's a lovely thing to experience and to get used to doing. Just being excited about someone else's idea, and you can practice that when you play this game called Giving Presents.